let's get it. What's up, guys? So, we were in the middle of reacting to some videos on the Josh and Murph channel on our new set, as you can tell, and we got a package. And I just wanted to open it up with you guys because this makes me very excited. We get to finally, what's it called, Murph? We get to finally do jump covers. Now, hold on. Hit it.
Yeah, it's gonna hit the mic.
It's not. Just throw it.
Oh no. Yeah.
We got some Neewer drum microphones in here. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm a little skeptical because of the price tag, but I did happen to see some reviews on it, and the mic sounded really, really good. So I think that they might be alright. Let's unbox this bad boy so we can check it out together. First of all, let's start with the packaging. It comes with its own case, and it's pretty heavy. It's pretty nice, man. It looks heavier. It looks heavier than it actually is, but it's a good start. Let's see. Man, I like them, bro. This is the Neewer Drum 7-pack, and it comes for $150. You get two overhead mics. You know, usually set them up depending on how you like to do things. You get two overhead mics. You get some tom mics. You get 4 tom mics and a snare mic. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm guessing these are 4 tom mics. You can use one of these as a snare mic, and a bass drum microphone, and some clips for the drums. So it goes right on it hooks right onto your drum set. Depending on how you like to set up your stuff. Oh, and you get 2 extra. I guess these are, what do you call these things, Murph?
Like wind socks?
Yeah, for the. I'm guessing these are for the overheads. Yep.
Yeah, because you wouldn't need them on the other ones. The overheads are the only ones that have any distance between anything.
Yeah, I mean, man, this is the presentation's on point. I'm excited to see what they sound like, and I think that with my friends, with Murph and Josh, I think we should be able to get a really good mix out of these drums. Murph, what are your first impressions on this, man?
I think it looks very clean. Definitely off rip.
Yeah.
The test that you showed me sounded good.
Yeah, the test we saw sounded
Neewer
really good.
shows out. Neewer's done us well in the past, a lot of times.
Yeah, man. Honestly, for the price point, you can't go wrong. Number one, and number two, the fact that Neewer created it, I'm not gonna lie, it kind of like I was like, yeah, I should definitely check it out.
They look good, man.
Yeah, they look really good, man. Like I said, man, I'm excited to see what they actually gonna sound like.
Let us know if you guys want a sound test.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna do a sound test. You guys put in the comments below if you have any what do you call it, Murph?
What song do they want to hear you do?
That's what I was gonna say. Yeah, if you have any songs you think I should play to, some of your favorite songs, just comment any song and we'll maybe I'll do the sound test to that. I'm getting ready to do you said what?
Barbie Girl?
Barbie Girl?
Yeah.
By Aqua?
Okay, Karen.
I'm a Barbie girl.
All right, Barbie.
Let's go so we can. Okay, Barbie, let's go. I'm a Barbie girl.
That beat's kind of fire. I don't know if you could do it.
Oh, I could do that. All right, so maybe I'll do it today. But yeah, to the next one. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn your post notifications on. Share this with your friends, and Stick around for more videos. We got over 110 uploads on our channel, and it's gonna be it's a bunch of new stuff, man. It's lit. This is the best new channel to be a part of. I promise you. Oh, this has been another one from Josh and Murph behind the camera. Murph, turn the camera around real quick.
Hey.
Murph, stay right there. Yeah, there you go. Hey, Murph.
Gotta bust down on it,
Oh, look at the folks. It's crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, now you're letting them know what the studio looks like,
Oh,
bro.
sorry.
I thought you didn't want
Shoot. I need There we go. So, yeah. This has been another video with Josh and Murph, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.